Good morning. Okay, nice to see you again. Now we will study about simple past tense. What is simple past tense? Okay, simple past tense. Okay, in general, the simple past tense is used to talk about something that is started and finished at a definite time in the past. So this is happened in the past. It is already finished. Okay. How to form the past tense in English? The main rule is that for every verb in English, there is only one form of it in the past tense. So for example, go become when. For all of the subject, I, we, you, they, he, she, and it using when. So there is no difference. Okay. But there is exception for past tense of to be because there are two, was and were. I was, you, we, they were, he, she, it was. Okay, but for the verb is the same. Now, I'll give you example. The past tense of verb want is wanted. Okay, wanted is used as the past tense for all subject. I wanted. You wanted. He wanted. She wanted. It wanted. We wanted. They wanted. So we can use the same verb for all of the subject. So it's quite easy, right? Okay, we'll start with past tense regular verb. To change a regular verb into its past tense form, we normally add ed to the end of the verb. That's why we call it regular, because we only add ed. Play become played. Cook become cook. Rain become rained. Wait become waited. There are some exceptions with a slight change in spelling, which you can see here. Example of sentences using regular verb in the past tense. I'll give you the affirmative example. So for affirmative sentence, you just give subject, verb, to plus object. Last night, I played my guitar loudly and the neighbors complained. Okay, she kissed me on the cheek. It rained yesterday. Angela watched TV last night. John wanted to go to the museum. So this is for affirmative sentence. Subject, verb to, and then object. And then we will go to negative sentence in the past tense. We use did not, okay, or we use didn't to make a negative sentence in the past tense. And we use didn't for all of the subject. I didn't. You didn't. We didn't. They didn't. He didn't. She didn't. It didn't. Okay, it's quite easy, right? I'll give you the example. They didn't live in Canada. The main verb live is the example above. Is in its base form. The actually didn't show that the sentence is negative and in the past. Don't forget when there is the word didn't, it is followed by verb 1. So it is not followed by verb 2. So we change the verb into verb 1. Okay, there are more examples. I didn't want to go to the dentist. Look at the want. Okay, we use verb 1. She didn't have time. Have is also verb 1. You didn't close the door. Okay, the close verb 1. He didn't come to my party. They didn't study, so they didn't pass the test. The word study and pass is verb 1. We didn't sleep well last night. The sleep is also verb 1. Okay, so in negative sentence, subject didn't followed by verb 1 and then object. Now we go to the question. Question in the past tense. We use did to make a question, so we put did in front. Did plus subject plus verb 1 and then object. We can use did for regular or irregular verb. Did they live in France? Okay. The live is also verb 1 because there is the word did. The main verb live in the example above is in its base form. The auxiliary did shows that the question is in the past tense. I'll give you more example. Did you go to work yesterday? They arrived on time. Did she like the surprise? Where did she go? What did you do yesterday? What did you say? I didn't say anything. Why did we have to come? Okay, look at the verb. Go, arrive, like, go, do, say, have, all of them is in form of verb 1. So it is not verb 2 anymore. Okay, now we will go to irregular verb in the past tense. When it is regular, you use ed. When it is irregular, it can be anything. Okay, irregular verbs are only irregular in affirmative or in positive sentence. I'll give you more example. Go become went. Eat become ate. Buy become bought. Okay, catch become caught. Okay, the word when is used for all subject, so the irregular is also used for all of the subject. I, we, you, they, he, she, and it. So I went to the beach. She went to the beach. They went to the beach. So it's used for all of the subject, although it is regular or irregular. Okay, that's the end of the simple past tense. Hopefully you will understand more after watching this video. I'll see you with another lesson. Bye everyone. Take care always.